Hi guys! So today we're making this gorgeous cake. It's relatively healthy as it's made out of whole wheat. So let's begin. So for this, the first ingredient is, you guessed it right, obviously whole wheat flour or apne ghar wala normal atta. So now we're gonna sift it. So sifting is really important because for atta, the cake becomes a little dense. So the sifting is actually really important. So after that, I'm going to put in some unsweetened cocoa powder and then a fourth teaspoon of baking soda. So I'm going to sift that all well. Now also another thing, so the atta that I have at my place, it has bran also, and surprisingly it made no difference to the cake. The cake turned out delicious. So, you know. After that, I'm gonna put in some powdered sugar and cold water. So the water is cold but not ice cold. So I'm going to mix that all up well until all of the sugar crystals are dissolved well. After that, I'm going to take 2 tablespoons of oil. Now, one point to be noted here is that I'm making half of the recipe here because I've stored half of the dry ingredients and I'm just going to make half the batch. So you can do that too. You can store the half of your dry ingredients and just do it whenever you want to. So after that, I'm going to put in malai. So the malai gives us the necessary oil and a lot of moisture here. And then vanilla essence and some salt. Don't worry, you're not gonna taste the salt, it just enhances the flavor. Now, if you don't have malai, you can also use the normal Amul wala fresh cream that we get in the market. That's gonna work well as well. So, no worries with that. After that, I'm going to whisk this all up really, really well until I'm sure that the malaika particles have broken down nicely. So, this is gonna take a little bit of time. So I'm gonna whisk this all up really well, and also ensure that you whisk at this part because after that we're not gonna whisk because we need the air. So all the air is incorporated in your cake in this stage. So do not be lazy in whisking. Okay, so all of this is whisked well, and then comes one of the most important part of the cake, the filling. So I've taken 3 parts of chocolate and a part of milk, and I've put it on a normal pan and melted the whole thing. Now, you can also put directly the chocolate compound that we get, but then your lava will be there, but it won't be flowy enough. I've tried it and it's just not flowy enough. It's a little solid. So this ensures that your lava is not it's like perfect. It's of the perfect consistency. So ensure that your chocolate is a little moldable, and so we're making balls like that. So that's gonna become our filling. You can reheat and adjust the consistency because it also depends on the chocolate you're using, and you can use any chocolate. I'm using a little bit of sweet chocolate here. So after that comes the basic dry ingredients and wet ingredients. Mix. Yeah, you get me. Yeah. So I'm gonna mix that all up really well, and then I'm gonna try not to ruin the air that I've built. So yeah, no lumps, lovely batter. Looks so good. Cool. Now these are the typical silicon wale cupcake molds. So इसके अंदर ensure that you do not fill the cupcake molds too much. So सबसे पहले I'm going to do 1/4 of the mold, and then after that I'm going to put in the chocolate balls, and then I'm going to fill the mold again, and then we're gonna bake. Like as simple as that. So yeah. See? Told you. Okay, इसको fill करने के बाद I'm just gonna place it in the oven in the middle rack. So if for example if your oven is a little smaller, do this thing for the first like 15 minutes, put it on the upper shelf, and for the next 5 minutes put it on the lower shelf. That'll work as well. So now this goes into the oven at 180 degrees for around 20 to 25 minutes. And serve it hot and Just look at that. It was so delicious, guys. I can't even tell you. It was so delicious, and no one could guess it was made out of whole wheat because the cake, the lava, they just were perfect together. Maybe, I don't know, it's probably because of the chocolate, but this works like heaven. So, yeah, look at the lava. It's coming out. See, told you. Okay, so the recipe is done. Please give it a try and don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.
I never made it, but I know what it takes.